Are you ready for some big, juicy fall flavors? Then fire up that grill and let's make super tender marinated beef and pineapple skewers with a peanut chai vinaigrette. Peanut butter makes such a great base for a marinade because it's loaded with flavor. It also has monounsaturated fat, which is good fat. That combined with all of those other delicious elements, the garlic, the ginger, all of that lime juice will tenderize the steak beautifully. Make sure you really massage that marinade into your steak. Put it in the fridge for between 2 and 12 hours. Stack your skewers with pineapple and red pepper, then grill for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. For the vinaigrette, mix together these ingredients into a mason jar and then do a little shake, and then let those flavors settle in until you're ready to do the drizzle. Check out gapeanuts.com for more delicious inspiration.